Welcome to the Word 2010 video series. In this video, we are going to have a look at how to use our section breaks within Microsoft Word. Now, there's different types of breaks that you can use in your document. Instead of just cutting or copying or pushing words down onto the next page, you can use breaks. So the first thing, let's have a look at the different types of section breaks that you can get. So if you go into your Insert tab, you will notice that this is where you get all your bookmarks, cross-referencing and other information. Although bookmarks and cross-references do create their own breaks, it's not necessarily the place that you want to go and create your section breaks. In the page layout group, you've got a page setup section, and this is where you will have all the options for your different types of breaks. If you click on the little breaks icon, you will notice that it'll give you a list of different types of breaks that you can use. You can choose to have a page break. This basically means it'll stop wherever you have specified and move straight on to the next page, and it'll also print that way. You can choose a column break, a text wrapping break, and then we've got other section breaks called next page, continuous, even, and odd. So to give you an example, I'm going to move forward to page 15 to show you how these different breaks work. So on the Home tab, under the Find button, you'll see there's a drop-down arrow. An easy way to go to a particular page is click Go To, make sure you've got page selected, and I'm going to choose page 15. That will then take you to that particular page. Now let's say, for example, after this image, I would like over here to jump directly to the next page. So I'd like this paragraph on page 2. Instead of just pushing the data down, there's an easier way to do it. If I go to my page layout option, I go to breaks, and I can choose a next section break. That will then take that data and move it directly to the next page. It'll then start the rest of my data on a new page. So let's say, for example, I'd like to practice another break. For example, from this particular section over here. If I go to my breaks, I can choose a continuous break. Now be careful with this one, because what can happen is it'll insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So if I go like that, it'll have my section break on every single page. So once you've done all your breaks, you can see that it's a lot easier to manage how your document is laid out and formatted.